What's up, Hellhounds? Today we're doing an unboxing. You thought we were gaming? Psych! Okay, but anyways, we are doing an unboxing. I got a new keyboard. It's raining outside. There's a storm. Naturally you can't see it. It's nighttime outside. Here we go. Let's do the unboxing. Let's get right into it. We got the Redragon Kumara. That's right. Okay, that's right. The Redragon Kumara. It is a mechanical keyboard, and as you can see, with these 3 letters, you're gonna get more power. So the Redragon Kumara is an entry-level mechanical gaming keyboard, and it has blue switches. So I don't need to really explain. I don't know if I need to explain blue switches, but I'll keep it simple. Blue switches, loud. Okay, and they give you feedback. Okay, there's feedback when you press it, and they're kind of loud. They have the clickety click. So if you like hearing your clickety click, you get those blue switches. The brown switches are in the middle. They're not too loud, but you still feel that feedback. The black switches, they're quiet. They're smooth, and I feel like the red switches are similar as well. Okay, if I'm wrong, please correct me in the comment section below. I am still learning more about keyboard. All right, so let's open this thing up, slide this thing, okay? And now I'm gonna open it. It's bubble wrap. That's actually very important for me. I really feel like it should always be bubble wrap, right? I mean, it'll be weird if it wasn't bubble wrap. Inside you have your manual and this thing, which I believe is what you use to take out keycaps. Because yes, I mean, if you want to do customize your mechanical keyboard, you buy keys, you buy whatever, you're gonna need to use that tool in particular. So I'm gonna take take one last look at the box, everybody. Take one last look at the box. This is how the box looks. Okay, so let's talk about its I don't know, quote unquote features. So apparently, according to the box, according to the box, high quality lead. So that's gonna be, I'll be the judge of that probably after a few months. But we're gonna do a review as well, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna ask my brother to do it. He's used a similar keyboard. But similar meaning he used the Kumara. Okay, so we're gonna see. High precision, whatever. Double injection keycaps. If someone can explain to me what those are in the comment section below, that would be wonderful. I would very much like to know. It is spill proof. Okay, so if you're a clumsy ass person like me, you're in good hands. It's spill proof, which is, it's just nice. Okay, so it's high speed, high control, high response. Let's take this thing out of the bubble wrap. This is it. This is how it looks like when it is not plugged. Okay, I really like the design. If you guys have seen my other unboxing videos when I unboxed the Ajaz, you know I really like it. I really like the full black look because John Wick is amazing. That's the context. That's the logic. And it's heavier than I expected. I am not gonna lie. It is much heavier than the Synosa Lite. If you guys haven't seen that video, me unboxing that one with the Kraken, go ahead and check that video out too. Okay, so this is it. It's very simple. It has this, how it looks like when it's plugged. We can all find out together. So it's capped, which is a good thing. But I'm gonna lose that eventually. I'm gonna plug it. Oh my gosh! I kind of like the way it lit up. You guys like the way it lit up? Woo. I'm gonna turn off my light. My brother advised me to turn off the light. Let's just dim it a quick time. So if you guys like RGB and you guys like increasing the speed of your devices with the different colors and spectrums of the world, this can do that. This can do exactly that. So we're let's continue. I'm gonna unplug this now, just because I don't want it to interfere with the keyboard I have plugged in. Do we need to do a sound test? I'm gonna assume we need to. Since it is blue switches, like I explained a while ago, the simple layman's term of how I understand switches is blue is just loud. Okay, blue if you like the clickety click. So if you like the, that's just me regular pressing it. Okay. And if I was gaming, So that's how it sounds like. I'm not kidding, okay? So that's how I press the buttons usually, okay? So this is regular typing. And if I was playing Call of Duty. So, yeah. That's pretty much it. There's really not much to say about it the way it is. I've said everything. I've said the features. I've said that again, it's very much heavier than it looks, and I actually like it. I like that it's heavier than it looks. What? Oh, my brother just said it doesn't flex. Do other keyboards flex?
Yeah.
Oh, for the price. Oh, okay. I was about to get the Cyanosolite and it's like
Try it.
Okay, let's try it. Here we have the Cyanosolite, if you guys remember. Again, this is how it looks like lighting up. There you go. Okay, so not that much. Anyway, that's the Cyanosolite. This is what we're talking about though, the Kumara. Again, if you guys really like it and you guys want to try it for yourselves, after this whole review, after this whole unboxing, I will leave a link in the description below where you can get one for around $40-ish to $45. Okay, maybe a little bit cheaper since I'm going to try to find the best prices for you guys. I'll leave a link to Shopee and I'll leave a link to Amazon. Both are affiliate links, so you know you guys are gonna also help me out with that. Love you guys. So let's move on to the review, and I'm gonna spin my chair, and then the next person's probably gonna be my.
Okay. Right, like my brother said, I have been using the Kumara for around 2 years, almost 2 years. Great. I was coming off of a non-mechanical keyboard, so this is really the cheapest mechanical keyboard you could find here. It could go cheaper if you got the single light version, but this is RGB. I love RGB. It's really tactile. There's lots of feedback. Blue, got blue switches. So my brother was a while ago saying it's double injected. That means basically that your caps aren't gonna fade. You're not gonna chip them off. So yeah, no problems. I didn't realize that I could change the keycaps of this thing until like around 6 months into owning one. So I just had it and realized that I could switch the keycap. So yeah, it's pretty easy to switch the keycaps. It's not hot swappable though, the switches. So you're stuck with the blue ones unless you wanna solder. I don't wanna solder. But yeah, coming from a non-mechanical keyboard, it's great. It's really great. It feels good. Like I know when I'm pressing the keys, I don't get lost looking for what I'm doing. I majority of the games I played with this Warzone, some League, and some Valorant. It's great. I had no reason to change the keycaps, but like I have to say, the light's pretty dim on this one. It's pretty dim. My brother showed you a while ago. Let me plug it in again. It's got a really cool startup. But yeah, the lights on this are pretty dim. If you use, but like I gotta say, if you use the stock keycaps, which is this one. So this is how it looks like. So I used jelly keycaps after this. So they were clear. It was a lot brighter. So if you pop a keycap off, you'll see that well, let me show you. So let me pop a keycap off. There I popped off the escape key. So let's dim the lights. Here you go. There. So that's what it looks like without keycap. So still pretty bright, actually. It's just the keycaps are black. It really prevents you from seeing. This is not dust proof, so you can definitely see. These are the problem. The main problem that I had with this is I had to clean this often. Probably once a month. I took the keycaps out.
Shit.
Yeah, used a can of air and blew out the dust. It doesn't affect performance. It's not gonna go into the board. But it does get dirty, so do not eat. But aside from that, the Kumara is great. Great for its price. Great. I don't know if people think Redragon's cheap. It's not. It's really great. It's a great mechanical gaming keyboard. But yeah, do I recommend the Kumara? Yep, definitely. If you've never had the mechanical keyboard, this is a great place to start. If you're looking to start getting into the black hole of mechanical keyboards, this is one option to seriously consider. Especially if you're looking for a TKL one. It's great, compact. It's sturdy. It'll save you some desk space and will make your gaming experience a little bit more fun compared to using a regular old keyboard.
Okay, I am back. Did you miss me? Probably not. You guys don't give a fuck. Okay, I'm gonna mute that part.
The ano.
Woo! I still like that.
So
Okay.
like you press function and yeah, I think so. So that one is single.
Uh-huh.
It will, like
Okay. You guys see that? Number 2.
just when you press it at that. Try press.
Oh my
So,
god.
But there are different ano pa. So you press function 2, right?
Oh my gosh, I like this one. I like this one.
Check you can press function and orange now.
Oh, okay. I see. You see that, chat? Chat. I'm so sorry. I'm so used to streaming. Down. What's down?
Down is just brightness. So don't function.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the brightness. So there, that one is originating. There's one that is red.
I don't see it.
There. Yeah.
I don't see. What? Okay.
Try pressing function 2 again.
Wait, I want the different colors per press.
Oh, wait, go. Keep pressing. No. Keep pressing till you get it.
How do I?
Yeah. There.
Oh, there we go. Oh,
Try function 2 again. It'll change.
function 2.
There. Now it's
Oh,
just
now
red.
it's per button you press.
Yeah.
Guess what I'm pressing? Oh, it's
Per
not.
line.
It's per the line.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I don't really like that. Okay, now we're back to original. Let's check number 3. Oh. Oh, it's like a wave.
Yeah,
You know what? We should really be doing this.
Try
like
doing
this.
function 2.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Ooh. Okay, function 3 again. Ooh. 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 It's like they're fighting. Okay. Oh wow, this is like the Matrix, guys. This one's like the Matrix. I wish it was green. Maybe you change the color with the. Okay, we've seen that one before. This is the one where it was at, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay. Yeah, all around.
Oh no, that's like following the line.
Okay. And number 5. That's steady. Like another Matrix looking thing. Okay, so that's a line like a rainbow. Okay, we've seen that one. Interesting looking keyboard. Oh! Ooh, that's like ABS-CBN. Alright, I really like this one though. Ah, because I pressed the buttons a lot, so when I'm gonna be playing, you guys can. Oh! You guys won't even see it because when I go stream or if you guys see me playing games, you guys won't really see a top-down view. But it's gonna make me happy. Okay, sometimes I gotta choose my happiness. Okay, let's do some first impressions. Again, heavier than I expected. I could do this and I'd probably build up muscle. That's a lie. Anyways, I wouldn't do that either. Again, heavier than I expected. I really like the sound. I'm probably not. I keep my brother up at night, and this time it's not just gonna be my voice. Please be kind to one another. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really did enjoy the unboxing. I really love the feel. I enjoy the RGB. Enjoy the USB. I can't wait to start using it. What is my next video gonna be about? It's actually gonna be a review on the Cynos Lite. If you guys remember, I said I'd do a review soon, and it took me forever basically until I changed. Now I'm changing my keyboard, and I can finally do a review on the pretty decent Cynos Lite. So catch that on the next one. All right, and everything that I think about it, all the issues, the things I like and don't like. It's not gonna be a long video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you guys have suggestions on what I should unbox next, just leave them in the comment section below if you have anything. Other than that, have fun, be kind. Again, if you want to grab your own, I'll have links in the description below to Shopee and as well as Amazon. Okay? Be kind to one another. Bye.